Hey guys, this is Jason with GetMorrOutdoors. I went online recently to try to find a broadhead case to protect my new broadheads for my crossbow. And I found, things ranging from about $15 all the way up to $60, obviously varying degrees of quality. I think I did find one for maybe about, it was like right around $10, but it was literally just a piece of garbage. So I went to Walmart and I got a small waterproof dry box. It's like, I want to say it was $5.88 in the camping section. It's just an inexpensive dry box, has a rubber gasket in it. And this is a Dollar Tree special. It's a little gardener's kneeling pad. $1. Less than $7. And I'm going to go ahead and see if I can make a waterproof broadhead case that won't break the bank, keep my broadheads dry and rust free, keep them from rattling around and getting dull. Small enough I can throw in my pack. You can use a sharp utility knife, but I have found it works far better to use a longer bladed knife. You get one clean, smooth cut. I'm going to get my scrap board here to cut on. There you have it. Inexpensive little broadhead case that'll keep my broadheads secure, keep them dry, less than $7. Now a little bit of a bonus. See if you can see this. I peeled the stickers off of this and it left this gummy residue. Got the sticker off, but left this gummy residue, and all it's going to do is attract hair and dust and dirt, and every time I touch it, it's going to be sticky. Quick little WD-40 pack. A little bit of that on there. And there's that really gummy side. So that petroleum-based WD-40 breaks that glue down and it'll wipe right off without scratching your box up. So just a quick little bonus hack. But guys, there you have it. Broadhead box, less than $7, watertight. You can get the dry box from Walmart. Go to any little Dollar Tree, get you a little kneeling pad for $1, and there you go. And I really think I could fit probably, I don't know, 6 to 8 broadheads in this comfortably. All right, guys, this has been Jason with Get More Outdoors. Hope you enjoy.